When you do meditate together with your spouse or with your children, you cannot very long entertain any dislike. Even if you had an argument, you will say, oh, okay, let's meditate together. Even that argument will dissolve. In fact, that problem that was there as a problem or a blockade as a stone will become a stepping stone for you, see. Well, when mind is already stressed and already in turmoil, there is very little thing you can do. You can calm yourself a little bit, but not a whole lot. Meditation, to me, it's like a vaccination. It's preventive. Once depression starts, once anxiety starts, once the stress begins, and let us see, you meditate. You tend to meditate, but then instead of meditating on the divine light or sublime love in your heart, you'll focus more on what is on your mind at that moment. See, and that can spoil the entire meditation, and in fact you will spiral into those causes that caused stress, that cause anxiety. So once the mind is disturbed, I think take it easy. And there are other processes we recommend, that instead of meditation, do the cleaning part. Cleaning means to removing the cause of anxiety, removing the cause of everything that we undergo. If I have an argument with you, you have some thought, I have some ideas. And what will happen as a result of these two different approaches? It will form a knot. So, like, this is an emotional granthi or emotional knot that we form in our heart. And what we commonly call it as misunderstanding. Right? But when the understanding does down in my mind, I had misunderstanding. And then what happens then? The knot is dissolved. Right? So the karma of argument is no longer there through right understanding. And right understanding can also come because I meditate. See? I am easily able to say, I'm sorry. I understand things differently now. And same thing happens in the family. I mean, whom do you fight with the most? Your parents, if they are still alive, or your spouse, or your children. We are the victims as well as they remain the victims of our anger, of our love as well. And both form beautiful knots or the ugly knots. We don't form such knots with strangers. Very rare, if at all. And since we form the knots with our loved ones more often, I think the only solution I find is if we all can meditate in a family together, it will remove these creases of misunderstandings. When you do meditate together with your spouse or with your children, you cannot very long entertain any dislike. Even if you had an argument, you will say, oh, okay, let's meditate together. Even that argument will dissolve. In fact, that problem that was there as a problem or a blockade as a stone will become a stepping stone for you, see.